In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned professional, setting up price alerts can be incredibly beneficial in keeping you informed about market movements, allowing you to make timely and informed decisions. Let's dive into the process. First, let's open the Toolbox window within the MetaTrader 5 platform. This is where you'll find various tabs that provide access to different aspects of the platform's functionality. The Toolbox window is an essential feature of MetaTrader 5, offering quick access to tools and information you'll frequently use. Once you have the Toolbox open, you'll need to navigate to the Alerts tab. This tab is specifically designed for setting up and managing your market alerts. Alerts can help you keep track of price changes, news updates, or any other critical event in the market that might affect your trading strategy. It's handy to have all your alerts organized in this tab because it allows for easy management and review. Now that you're in the Alerts tab, the next step is to right-click inside this area. Doing so will bring up a context menu. From the options presented, you'll want to choose Create. This action will open a new window where you can set the parameters for your alert. Creating an alert is a straightforward process, and it's an excellent way to ensure you're always on top of potential market shifts that can impact your trades. In the alert window, you'll see several fields and options that need your input. First, select the symbol for which you want to create an alert. This is crucial because the alert will closely monitor the selected currency pair or instrument for any specified conditions. Ensure you've chosen the right symbol, as this will directly affect how and when you receive your alert notifications. Next, you'll have to choose the condition for the alert. Options available include bid, ask, or ask. These conditions specify whether you want to be notified when the bid or ask price is greater or less than a certain level, providing flexibility depending on your trading strategy. It's important to select a condition that aligns with your objectives to maximize the effectiveness of the alerts. After selecting the appropriate condition, it's time to enter the price at which you want to receive the alert. This finalizes the criteria, telling the system exactly what price should trigger the alert. Be sure you input this accurately to avoid missing crucial market signals or receiving unnecessary alerts. Once you have entered all the necessary details, simply click OK to save your alert. By doing this, you've successfully set up a price alert on MetaTrader 5, equipping yourself with a valuable tool to enhance your trading efficiency. This capability allows you to focus on your trading strategy without constantly monitoring every move in the market. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide on setting price alerts in MetaTrader 5 helps you stay proactive and responsive to market trends. Happy trading!